All right, so here is the remote control app running on my iPhone. It connects to your streaming stick via Wi-Fi over your home network, so both the phone and the stick have to be on the same Wi-Fi network. We'll go in here. You can see it works just like any remote would. You've got the ability to scroll through stuff. What I do like, though, is that you can use the keyboard on your phone to speed up some of the text input on there. So I'm going to type in Star Trek real quick here and hit enter. And what I'll do now is just go over to the side here, and you'll see what it does is it has a unified search now. So I can go in here if I wanted to find when Star Trek The Next Generation is on one of my streaming services. I can select one of the seasons here, and it'll show me all of the different services that I can view that on. And I have a Netflix subscription, so I can click on Netflix here. It'll then boot up the app and take me right over, hopefully, over to Star Trek Season 7, and I can continue watching it there. So kind of nice that they have that unified search, and also really nice that you have the means of just using your phone to type stuff in versus using the remote, which can sometimes get a little clunky on you there. So that's pretty cool and nice to have that integrated search. Now, voice search is also available, but only on the app. You can't do it through the remote on the $40 streaming stick. More expensive devices do support it, but I can go over here to the app, tap on voice, Star Trek. And that should hopefully pull us up some results on Star Trek. So there we go. I can go back to our Star Trek The Next Generation and then find the season that I want to watch. What's interesting about this is that all the searching here is taking place on the phone itself, not on the Roku streaming device directly. So you'll go through there, find the thing you want to play back. It will then load up Netflix again and take us there. What's funny, there's a little glitch that it pulls up the App Store for Netflix every time I want to watch it on Netflix via the Roku app here. So that was a bit of an odd little bug that I discovered on this when I was playing around with it here. You'll also notice at the bottom there's a headphone jack icon, and what this lets you do is allow you to listen to audio privately through the app versus having it on screen. Now, some of the other Roku devices like the Roku 3 had a headphone jack built into the remote. This does not, but you can have the audio go through your phone wirelessly to headphones, and it will silence the output on the TV, and it actually gets the video synced up. So you'll see it kind of pause for a second when you push down that headphone thing there just to get everything synced up, and then it'll start playing back, and the audio will be synced fairly well, and you can listen to it on your phone. On the iPhone, at least, it also works in the background, so you can close the remote app, do something else, and still hear the TV audio or the Roku TV audio as you're playing things back. Really cool feature there. Now, it's also cool is it does have some features similar to what you might see on a Chromecast or compatible device. So you'll notice up in the right-hand corner of my YouTube app on my iPhone, you see that casting icon. You can see I have two Google devices, my NVIDIA Shields, and I also have the Roku stick available. And if I tap on that, it will connect to the Roku stick, and it will perform just like a Chromecast does, and I can toss video over to it automatically there. So you see it summoned up the app, and now if I click on one of my videos that I have stored on my YouTube channel here, it'll start playing that back on the Roku stick just like it would on a Chromecast. So you have some of that casting capability as well built in.
This channel is brought to you by my Patreon supporters. If you want to help the channel, you can by contributing as little as $1 a month. Head over to lon.tv/Patreon to learn more. And don't forget to subscribe. Visit lon.tv/s.